Hello everyone. So today we are here to review the calls that were given by TradeClue platform. So these come under the Pro alerts, so system generated alerts based on the algorithm that we have input. Now to get these alerts after logging into TradeClue, what you need to do is click on Live Market and then click on Query. So choose all the Pro alerts which will be generated by the system. So check these boxes and then click on general or pro alert. So under these, whenever there is an alert, along with the time you will be getting it and under what category that alert falls. So this is one strategy, NY Pro, and this is Momentum Pro strategy, and this is Scalp strategy. So there are several strategies that are available on TradeClue along with the name of that strategy and when that alert got generated. So all these things are available. Along with that, there is also time frame on which you need to look. So this is NY Pro 1 minute time frame. So ONGC at 9:22 the system generated the alert, and that alert it fell under the category NY Pro, that too on 1 minute time frame. So this particular software, the tradeclue.com web portal, this is suitable for scalpers, this is suitable for intraday traders, and this is suitable for positional traders as well. You get all kinds of alerts. Now when you click on this NY Pro 1 minute, you will be taken to the chart directly. Now since the alert was on 1 minute time frame, you need to change the time frame to 1 minute and then go to 9:22. So what was there at 9:22? So ONGC today it opened with huge gap down way below the day resistance and the max pain one. Now there's a very good trading opportunity here. So there was a test of this max put OI2 and max pain 2. So this was the test. Then price bounced back and then again there is a break of that level. Now on successful break of this level on second attempt, the system generated the alert. Of course, there was a retracement back again, so which gave you an opportunity to modify your stop loss. So from here, you could have modified your stop loss to here. So whenever the price retraces back after testing a level and then breaks that level, you can modify your stop loss so that you will be along with the trend how much ever high it goes or how much ever low it makes, you can follow the trend. Only thing you need to do is just enter the trade and then keep modifying your stop losses. So this was ONGC on 1 minute time frame where the system generated at 9:22, and had you taken the trade below this max pain somewhere around 65, so the price fell until 61, so that's a huge fall. Then again you have IOC. Even that was also generated on 1 minute time frame, and even that also fell under NY Pro. So shift to 1 minute time frame and go to 9:27. So what was there? What was the price action in Indian Oil Corporation? So this is the big red candle that you can see today where the price opened. Then this is the BSL line, a very important line where there is a huge participation of buyers and sellers. So heavy trading activity took at this place. So that this was the first test, second retest, and then at the third time it broke the price. So whenever it broke the price at 9:27, you got an alert from the system. And had you entered here, this would have been your stop loss. And as I told earlier, whenever it tests the day's prominent level, so DS is also a prominent support level for intraday time frame. So if you have put your stop loss here, and when a test of that level happens and a break of that level happens, you can modify your stop loss from here to here. So you have got a tremendous opportunity today, and the entry price was somewhere around 81.65, and it fell until 79 rupees. So this was also a very good fall observed in IOC. Then you had Kotak Bank Momentum Pro alert. So the alert was given at 9:54 and the buy price was 1117.65. Here it is at 9:55. So here the alert was given and it was said that you need to buy it above 1117.65. So clearly when the resistances were taken out, so weekly support, because that weekly support got broken, it gets converted into a resistance now. So that resistance was easily taken out by this long green candle, and then a retest was also clearly seen here, but you got an early entry opportunity. That is the best part of trade clue. So you got an early entry opportunity with a minimal stop loss. Even if you have kept this day's low as your stop loss, that was very small, so around 9 rupees I think. And from there you can see what were the high that was achieved by Kotak Bank. Then you have Coal India. This is a scalping on 15-minute time frame. So buy was generated at 137.7 at 10:45. So this was the candle. Even here the day support, which was earlier broken, that got converted into a resistance. So retest of that was clearly seen, clearly visible here, but you got an early entry opportunity. That's the major thing that you need to observe here. And you can also witness the rise in Coal India. So these were the four alerts that were given by the platform, and all of the four alerts today they performed very well. And the best part of it is you have got an early entry opportunity with a minimum stop loss. So if at all you want to register for this platform, you can go to this particular URL. Just pause the video here, note down the URL and paste it in your URL bar. When you click on enter, you will get the registration screen, and there you can enter your email ID or the desired username, your password, all those things, and you will be registered. So that's all for today. Thank you all for joining.